The house lies barren there. A cool, deceptive calm pervades the air, and I couldn't keep from losing you. Now I'm scattered everywhere. My lover came down the wind, my lover came down the stair, my lover ran down the road and left me standing there, removed and so aloof. I know I've had it with my youth, and I've had it with my happiness. If you really want the truth, these hands are all that I have to have since I found the time to find the line that's mine to grab. It's really not so bad. These seeds of intrigue are growing next to me. I breathe and I bleed, but I can't feel a thing. She knows that she will be missed. Ain't no sunshine after this. These hands are all that I need to read. My back's to the wall. I gather up my things and fall. For we sons of none, the work is never done, we've only begun. And if that was ever all it is, in the streets of Garyton, there ain't no sunshine after this.